The Google quiz. Just a second. It is showcasing app shade, but you guys saying it's not. God. Sir, confirm just చెప్పండి.
నో సార్ రాలేదు.
Wait a minute. Just now I published and still you couldn't get it. Last time, where you get the quiz? Is it on through email or you opened your Google Classroom?
You send us a link in the chat.
Oh,
Yeah, you shared the link in the chat and we opened that.
then let me share it here. Open this one, then click this one.
Yeah, now it is open.
Okay, then go ahead. Everyone can able to access this quiz.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Chandrakala, in the meantime, just go and finish the quiz fast, and then we'll see your issue about that Kali Linux. Please don't use Google searches or something. Just try by your own. How is it going? Is the
It's
question.
done from my end, sir.
Okay. Let me check. It's 8:30. Mhm.
Right, sir. Done.
Done.
కొంచెం ఆన్సర్ తెలిసాక రాంగ్ చేసిన నేను
ఏంటండి?
జస్ట్ మేడ్ సమ్ ఆన్సర్స్ రాంగ్.
It's okay. That's fine. I'm just giving this to test how you are remembering the classes or maybe how you're doing. That's it. Um, he forms. Okay. Governor Nishant. Hey, who is this me? Never mind.
It's me.
Durandar. Okay. Is it your original name, buddy? Durandar Sahi.
It's not.
Okay, Joshi Daniel. How many we need to? Well, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Once everyone done, please let me know.
ఏంటండి ఇన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు ఇచ్చారు?
ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు ఇచ్చాను? 30 ఇచ్చాను అంతే. అవ్వలేదా మీది ఇంకా? పీపుల్ డన్. Someone left. Daniel, ABC is yours only, right? I think Surya is left. Am I right? Or maybe
Yeah,
any other.
ABC is me.
Okay.
I'm still here.
Yeah. Is there any other one left? Who needs to complete? Don't be hurry. You can take your time. No problem. Okay. Is there everyone completed? If anyone left, please let me know.
నాది అయిపోయిందండి.
Okay.
ఫస్ట్ తెలిసి కూడా మిస్టేక్ పెట్టాను.
మిస్టేక్ పెట్టినంత మాత్రాన ఏం కాదు. యూ గైస్ జస్ట్ లెర్నింగ్, రైట్? దట్స్ ఫైన్. దట్స్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఫైన్. ఇది ఒక్కటి ఉందా సూర్య?
I am done.
ఓకే.
The first one is mine.
Okay. So everyone is done then. Fine. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for attending this quiz. I think, yeah, you most of the guys, I think Ankit only haven't crossed that, but okay. Yeah, fine. You all did good. That's a great sign. I think no one is used Google or no one is used ChatGPT kind of thing for answering. So today we are going to install Nessus.
Let's hack some government websites.
Do you want me to go to jail?
Oh.
Even the not a private, directly government website. Which one you want me to hack? IRCTC? Do you want me to book a ticket for you?
No. UPSC.
You. Okay. Yeah. So today we are going to learn about Nessus. This is a VA tool. Okay. Nessus is a VA tool. This actual name is Tenable Nessus. Yeah. The actual name is Tenable Nessus. Okay. We are going to scan IP addresses or maybe DNS domain names with the help of this Nessus. This Nessus is going to scanning the server's IP is nothing but server. If I'm going to scanning IP address, it is nothing but directly scanning that server, because IP address is a logical address which is representing a specific device or server. Okay, when it comes to the domain name, let's assume if I'm going to scan flipkart.com, it is just going to gather slight details like what kind of IP addresses this domain name having, or maybe what kind of services they are using. This is a surface level only. Okay, scanning the domain name not going to give much more details, but if you are going to deep dig about more about the specific application, so we have to first to find out the IP address with the help of domain name, and then we're going to scan the IP address. Then it's going to showcase most of the details like what are the ports they're using. So each and every port have a specific protocol, right? Usually what the companies or what the developers do, they are going to mismatch those things. Okay, instead of, give you an example. So instead of 80 for HTTP, okay, they are going to give 89, 89. Okay, they are going to do 89, 89. But the thing is, usually what we know from 0 to 1000 or maybe 1029 or something, 25 or something is there. I forgot that. These are the rich, well-known ports. Okay, these are the well-known ports. That is nothing but usually this 80 or 443, or maybe for sending an email which is 25, and for connecting the Linux server which is using 22, and for sending a file which is called FTP, like that FTP is having 21. So those kind of things are well known. Usually devices are using these well-known ports, are usually the people is get to know the specific default ports are most of the people can understand, but companies are going to modify that Instead of they are showcasing 80, or maybe instead of showcasing 443, 443 is representing HTTPS, a secure hypertransfer text protocol. So simply these guys are going to using some other port numbers. This should be tricky, but still we have to scan that. We have to find out the ports. This scan is not going to showcase what exactly running or what exactly those ports. Simply they are going to list out the port numbers. We are going to find out what is exactly running on that specific port number. So simply go for the installation. Everyone, please open your browser. Okay, go to the browser. Go for Tenable Nessus. Tenable Nessus Essential Download. Tenable Nessus Essential Download. Just go there. Go to the Tenable Nessus Essential Download. And you can get this one, Tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner. Tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner. You can see the path above. Whenever we are going to open this one, it is going to the tenablenessus.com. After that, it is getting into the products. Into the products, we are going to the Nessus Essentials. If you want, I'll share you this in the chat. Share it. Done. Let's go. Have you guys went there? Once log in, just give your details. Even dummy details also fine, but give original email ID. Giving the names, anything is fine, but give the original email ID. Okay, and then give as a student. Okay, original email ID, and then give as a student, and then get started. Give any name, like this. Give the actual email address you want, and then click get started. Once you're done, okay, once you're done, just go to your email ID and verify you'll get an email. Okay, once you given your registered details or once you registered, you'll get an email. Okay, just click and open that email. Can anyone share your screen? Manikanta, can you give the screen share to everyone? Manikanta. Anyone? Just show me your screen because I don't want to download and install because it is already downloaded and installed. That's why.
Still not able to share.
Share. Just a second. Let me call him. Where is he? ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాను కదా, మళ్ళీ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయటం దేనికని. మీలో ఎవరో ఒకరితో అంతా చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది కదా. ముందన్న తీరొద్దిక కష్టపట్టుడికే దైవం తోడుండదా, మట్టి వాసన గుర్తుంచుకోని తండ్రి ఆశే దాగుందిగా, చిక్కి చితికిన విత్తనంలో వంశ వృక్షమే దాగుందిగా, anyone got the chance to share the screen?
No, the host is not allowed.
ఎందరో చెప్పిన మాటే కదా కళ్ళ ముందరే కదా, సరే ముందన్న తీరొద్దిక కష్టపట్టుడికే దైవం తోడుండదా, మట్టి వాసన గుర్తుంచుకోని తండ్రి ఆశే దాగుందిగా, చిక్కి చితికిన విత్తనంలో వంశ వృక్షమే దాగుందిగా,
మీరు కాల్ చేస్తున్నది సమాధానం ఇవ్వడం లేదు, దయచేసి మళ్ళీ ప్రయత్నించండి. आप जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल कर रही है वह उत्तर नहीं दे रही है, कुछ समय पश्चात प्रयास करें. The person you
Manikanta, are you sitting in behind the system? Can you able to hear me, Manikanta?
Yeah, now I got access. Can
Okay,
I share my screen?
Yes, go ahead. Anyone is fine.
Zivan.
Yep. Notepad++. Go to your email ID.
Yeah.
What happened, Dhurandhar?
He's away.
क्यों हंस रहे?
The person who's supposed to give the access is away.
I got it. These guys are doing multiple tasks in that institute. That's why I couldn't force them. Yeah, click on download Nessus.
Yeah, 1 minute, Sai. Yeah.
In between, I like his ringtone. Or color tune.
Is this Sai Malayalam?
That's why
No.
That's why I was laughing.
It's a Telugu. ఇది మొత్తం మార్చేసాడండి. వీళ్ళతో ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం. ఈ సెక్యూరిటీ టూల్స్ వాడాలంటే టెనబుల్ నెసెస్, డౌన్లోడ్ నెసెస్ అండ్ నెసెస్ మేనేజర్. గో ఫర్ ద ఒక్క నిమిషం. టెనబుల్ నెసెస్ ఏజెంట్, గో డౌన్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ అప్గ్రేడెడ్ విత్ ఇన్ 6 months. Yeah, first one. Go for the tenable Nessus. This one you need to check. Sorry, don't download it. Just check that Nessus version. You can see the drop down button in the version.
Yeah. 10.11.3.
Click చేయండి ఒకసారి దాని మీద. We'll see is there any other. It's not allowing to show previous versions.
No. It is like whatever updated version is there, that is what it is showing.
Okay, this is platform. Oh, we did a mistake, bro. just go to the Kali Linux, log into that what it is, VMware workstation. My mistake only. Sorry, guys. We need
Okay.
to download this. Um,
Through
inside
VMware, huh?
TVM. Even though we can download it in Windows also, but let's go for Kali Linux now. Skip and resume. We can use it for both. Even burp suit also we can use it both sides. Like either we can able to install and configure it inside the Kali, and we can do able to make it with a Firefox browser, or else we can able to install it on Windows and we can attach it with a Chrome browser. Everything is fine. We'll do both. Yeah.
Okay.
Go to the Firefox. Go to the Firefox. Go to everyone, please follow this one, and go to your email here, or else paste that download URL here.
Okay.
అది కాదండి, you need to log into your this one.
ఇదే కదండి.
ఎందుకంటే you guys need to అదే you guys need to download it through your email, because you will get an email, right? Through that email you need to download it, because there is an activation code is also there. అలా కాదు, కుదిరితే ఒక్కసారి మీరు లాగిన్ అవ్వండి మీ మెయిల్లోకి. ఇక్కడ ఇన్సైడ్
ఇక్కడ
ఇక్కడ లాగిన్ అవ్వండి ఒకసారి. కావాలంటే గో టు google.com instead of Firefox. Not like that, just search for Google. It will go open the google.com and then hit enter. Yeah, go there. Yeah, go ahead for Gmail, sign in. Sign in.
పాస్వర్డ్ ఏం పెట్టడం మర్చిపోయారు.
ఏదో ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుందిగా, ట్రై అనదర్ వే సంథింగ్ అని, ఆ ట్రై చేయండి.
ట్రై అనదర్ వే అంటే సో మేబీ సమ్ సెక్యూరిటీ క్వశ్చన్స్. యూజ్ యువర్ పాస్ కీ సంథింగ్.
Try another way. Again, try another way. Usually you didn't get a notification to your mobile. Yeah, check your mobile. This
నోటిఫికేషన్.
one.
ఎస్ ఇట్స్ మీ 17.
చంద్రకళ ఇది అయ్యాక మీరు చూద్దాంలేండి. ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళు మన వాళ్ళు అంటారు అంతసేపు ఉంటారో తెలియదు. ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మీది అది ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చూద్దాం, ఖాళీ లినక్స్.
ఓకే.
Continue to Gmail. Open it. Yeah. Yes. Everyone, please log into or switch into your VMware workstation. Inside that, go ahead like this. First one only. Enable Nessus. Yeah, ఇక్కడ డ్రాప్ డౌన్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Okay, this is the latest one. Linux Ubuntu AMD 64 is fine. Because enable Linux ఈ సైడ్ పక్క వైపు ఉన్న లినక్స్ కూడా డ్రాప్ డౌన్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి.
ప్లాట్ఫామ్.
ఎస్. స్క్రోల్ చేయండి పైకి ఒకసారి. ఏం క్లిక్ చేయద్దు, జస్ట్ స్క్రోల్ చేయండి అంతే.
ఓకే.
ఫైన్. Go to the click outside. It will by default it is selected, right? This is fine. Linux Ubuntu AMD 64 is perfect. We don't need to select Kali because there is no Kali inside this. Okay, just click download then. Selected, agree. ఏం కంపెనీ చదువుతారా ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు అదంతా?
లేదు జస్ట్ ఏదైనా చెక్ బాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి.
లేదు ఉండోలేండి అగ్రి. ఇట్స్ డౌన్లోడింగ్. Okay, so it is downloaded. Now let's go to initiate the installation process through command line interface.
ఓకే
ఓకే, దీన్ని మినిమైజ్ చేయండి, ఎందుకైనా మంచిది. ట్యాబ్ని మినిమైజ్ చేయండి. అదే గో టు ద టెర్మినల్. ఓకే, how many know how to check any kind of tool or service which is running inside the Linux? How to check it? Anyone have any idea? Don't do Google. Just if you know, just let me know.
Processes, running processes.
No. Process is related to the simply processes. What kind of things running at this moment, which is nothing but our processor. How many processes is processing simply? Okay, it's not like that.
version hyphen space.
That is to check is it installed or not. I'm telling for suppose, let's assume we just installed Nessus. Actually Nessus is a kind of tool, and sometimes we call it as a service also. We have to know is it configured and is it in a running state or not. Or else let's assume if you want to make your Kali Linux, or maybe you install the Kali Linux in VMware, or else you configured it, or like a Windows you are using. Instead of Windows, you are using Kali Linux in your laptop. So you want to make your laptop as a web server. That is nothing but if you are going to put something inside your laptop, it is going to visible to the others who are can able to access, like who can browse. So that is nothing but you are going to configuring the HTTP or HTTPS service, like the web service Tomcat application installing in your system. So how you are going to get to know is the Tomcat or something or HTTP service is running inside your system or not. So further there are two kind of commands, either we can use one or two to verify it. Please type service space Nessus D, Ness, D. You have to add D, space status. Hit enter. Okay, could not be found. Just go for PWD. Okay, it's not here. ls hyphen lrt. So actually we have downloaded the Nessus. So if we are going to download anything, where it goes?
Downloads ఉంది, right?
Yeah, go to the downloads. We are in Kali directory and asking to check about this thing. Yeah, tab and tab. Yeah, enter. Let's verify ls now. Yeah, now you see the file, the Nessus file, which is already downloaded, but it is looks like a different kind of formatted file. It's look like a kind of zip kind of format, but it's not a kind of exactly zip. It is a one kind of encrypted format. Okay, .deb is a one kind of encryption. So we have to decrypt at a time. We have to install this specific Nessus. So let's do the same command here. Service Nessus D status. Hit the tab. Tab got and again tab. Nessus and well,
Okay.
Nessus, yes. Change space status and enter. Yeah, it is there, but it is saying it's not found because it is in a encrypted format. The system is also not getting to know. So let's this decrypt at a time, install it. So just type sudo space D for dog, okay, P for pig, DP, K for K, G for gold, space. We are just going to deprecate, sorry,
Decrypted the package.
yeah, decrypting at a time. We are going to install this one, hyphen small I space, and just press N and then press tab. Yeah. So by default, it is selected the Nessus file and then hit enter. Just give the Kali password. Password correct ఇవ్వండి. క్యాప్స్
పాస్వర్డ్
గీప్స్
ఖాళీ
అదే క్యాప్స్ లాంటి ఏం పెట్టలేదు కదా,
ఏం పెట్టలేదు.
సరిగ్గా చూడండి. మీరేమైనా క్యాప్స్ ఆన్ చేశారా?
లేదు.
తీసుకోవట్లేదా? అయితే ఎంటర్ కొట్టండి, మళ్ళీ టక్మన్ కొట్టేసి ఎంటర్ కొట్టండి, తీసుకుంది చూద్దాం. ఎస్, లీస్ట్ ప్యాకేజ్. So now it is decrypted and installed. Let's check is it installed or not. Just do the same thing. Service necessity space status, enter. Now what you got, Nessus D dot service. Okay, it is in a disabled state. It is there. It is in a disabled. That means it is in an inactive state. You can read the second line, loaded and active. Both lines you have to understand. It is installed in /user/lib/systemd and /system/nessusd.service. So inside the systems, it is installed as a nessusd.service. Okay, if you want to verify this the service status of nessusd or something, you can able to give nessusd, or else you can able to give nessusd.service also. Okay, let's give some other command also. Systemctl systemctl కలిపి రాయండి. There is no space. Commands won't have the space. Status status space nessusd nessut that service. Yeah, hit enter. అంతే ఇచ్చాను.
స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్.
Okay, hit enter. You can see the same thing. Usually systemctl is the old command to verify the service, or maybe start the service, or maybe enable the service, or disable the service, or stop the service. We can do everything. So systemctl is the oldest command. Service is the upgraded one. So we can use both. Why I am telling systemctl and service? Because in some packages, whether it is like a Red Hat, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Kali, some kind of flavors will accept service. Some kind of flavors will accept systemctl. Some kind of flavors will accept both. So you have to know both commands to verify the service. So we have no Nessus is in a installed and it is in a inactive state. So we have to first make it active and we have to make it enable. So just type service Nessus start. సింపుల్ గా అప్పర్ ఆరో కొట్టండి, సరిపోతుంది. ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది అండ్ దెన్ స్టార్ట్ కొడితే అయిపోతుంది. యా, nessusd space start, nessusd. You have to give D. Don't miss that D. Yeah, hit enter. Service nessusd start. Asking the Kali password, give it. It is asking the authorization. If you give sudo, and again maybe sometime it will ask here only in the command line. Previously while you are installing, it is asked the Kali password the same way. So yeah, just go for same necessity status. Again, check the status. Upper arrow, upper arrow, upper arrow. Don't type the commands every time. Upper arrow. Again, upper arrow mark కొట్టండి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి. Yes, enter. Now you can see it is in a active state. Still it is disabled. I'll show you the difference. Just open the browser. Previously you have downloaded that. Just go to the browser once.
Where it is? It's a minimized.
I think you are make it as a full screen, right? Just minimize
Yes.
minimize the
Okay.
screen. You can see browser, Chrome browser.
Chrome, this
Sorry,
one.
not Firefox. Sorry, my mistake. Just click
Yeah.
that one. Okay. Take a fresh tab. Yeah. You know something? Have I explained you about local host? That means if anything wants to check inside your system, for suppose we have seen Nessus is installed, Nessus is configured or started. But the thing is, Nessus is a kind of service. Okay. We have to check in a browser also whether it is working or not. Even though if you configure Tomcat in your system, that is nothing but HTTPD. The service is called HTTPD. Again, you have to check it with the help of a default IP address, which is called localhost or loopback address. That is nothing but 127.0.0.1. Type it. So if you install anything, if you configured anything, 127.127 dot అలా కాదండి 127 డాట్ ఇది టైప్ చేయండి. మీరు ఏదేదో ఇస్తున్నారు అవి ఏవేవో తీసుకుంటుంది. 127.0.0.1 colon. Okay, you have to give 8834. Hit enter. 8834 is belongs to Nessus. I've told you previously, which is in between 1000 to 49,000 is registered ports. So Nessus is registered under the ICANN. The port number for the Nessus by default it is 8834. If you want to connect to the Nessus, you have to give the 8834. For suppose if you want to verify a specific server, you have that server IP address. Is this Nessus is running inside that server is not, you have to verify, you have to give the same thing. Yeah.
Need to give HTTPS.
Perfect. Go ahead. You understand the actual thing. Okay. Go to the advanced. Go down. Okay. Accept the risk and continue. Okay. Don't register. Okay. Don't register. Just hit continue. Don't register, guys, and wait. You have to select register for Nessus Essentials. Register for Nessus Essentials only. You don't need to select any other thing and then hit continue. Don't register and again skip the registration again here, because we already have the activation code. Skip.
Sir, I got the bad request. How to go to the next step?
Bad request means wait and you are given, or your is that request is taken as a HTTP. Go to the browser,
Okay.
like where you type the 127, click there once. If it is HTTP, add S, make it as
Oh.
HTTPS, then you will get it. Okay, go to
Okay.
your email. Pathredi garu, go to your email.
Yeah, okay.
Email.
Okay. So
Close data. Sign in again. Then it is there only. You have to sign in. Go to the first tab. Go to the first tab. You can see sign in.
We need to do check register offline or not?
Sorry?
Register offline. We
Don't
need to
register.
check.
Don't register. Don't register. Let me wait, Pawan. I'll show you. Wait. Don't do anything.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
register. Okay. Yeah. Go to the previous email, Bathready. Yes. Welcome to Tenable Nessus 1.
Don't only, right?
Yeah. Click చేయండి ఓపెన్ చేయండి దాన్ని ఇందులో you can see the activation code drop down a bit drop down. You can see the activation code. Copy that one and go and paste it there. Continue. Again continue. Create your username here. While you are creating, don't create a highly impossible passwords and highly impossible usernames. Give basic things. Give your basic name and give a basic password like 123 like that.
Okay. The
Okay.
username can be anything or like.
Anything, but give it a simple 3 or 4 words or maybe 5 letters. Even password also. Don't make it complex. The reason why I am saying you will definitely couldn't remember that after some days. That's why just give a basic things only. Okay, submit. Once you are done, go and submit. Wait, it is going to take some time. It is going to configure itself. If you want, save it. Yeah. In the meantime, share your screen, Pawan. It will take time, but it's going to download the plugins. It is going to download different kind of plugins related to the Nessus. There are bunch of security plugins is there. It is going to download each and everything. Yeah, Pawan.
Yeah.
చెప్పండి మీరు ఎక్కడ అడిగారు?
So ఇక్కడ register continue
You are
ఇవ్వాలా
not
సార్?
sharing. You are not sharing.
Not sure.
I couldn't see your screen.
Let me.
Once you give 127 your local host and then port number, it is redirect into the Nessus and don't register here. You guys already registered previously. Don't register here again. Just click continue. Okay, don't register, don't give any details, and you have to click the register for Nessus Essentials. Register for Nessus Essentials. That's it. You don't need to select any other thing. Just click enter. Sorry, continue. Again, it will ask about some activation code registration. You don't need it. You already got it. So just skip this one. Skip it and then give that. Yeah. Copy and then paste it. Continue. Yeah. Continue. Create your user credentials here. Make it easy. Don't make complex things here. Yeah, it should take time. Anyone have any kind of issues while installing or anything? Anyone want to share their screen? మీది అయిపోయిందా బత్తిరెడ్డి గారు?
ఇనిషియలైజ్ అవుతుంది.
Initializing. Fine, fine. Hey, how about you, Daniel? Have you installed it? Have you configured it?
I'm just watching it. I'm gonna install mine later on a different. I have a special machine that I'm gonna be using for my cyber security.
అయిందండి నాది.
So I installed the operating system on that particular one machine, right? An old machine that I'm keeping that for this. So I'm watching the steps that you're doing, and then I'm gonna do that later when we finish the class.
Okay, it's a very easy thing. If you find out an error, also we'll see it tomorrow. Also, that's fine. It's okay. Yeah. Go ahead, Daniel.
No, I'll try that and then see, because I'm just watching it carefully, observing how they're doing it, and then I'll do that. So what it is that we type in Google Tenable Essentials, right? And that is where we can start from.
Type in the Google. I've shared you the link, buddy.
Yeah.
Shared the link, right? Go ahead. In the chat also, I've shared one link. What is tenable.com products.nessus essentials. Just go there, copy paste it, save that one.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Or else, if you want to tell me just a second, you need to type. First, you need to type Nessus essential download.
Okay, Nessus essential. Okay.
Yeah, download.
Okay.
It will show different kind of options. In that, you have to select Tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner. Okay, you have to select Tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner.
Okay, just vulnerability scanner, not with the network, right?
Yeah, let me paste the name also here. Let me paste the name also here. You have to select this name, Tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner. If you couldn't get this one, you are going to select any other thing. You're going to be misled. You are going to download some other thing. Okay. Tenable is a company. Tenable have different kind of options. When it comes to Nessus also is a part of Tenable. It's a one kind of service. There are different kind of services there. And once you type just Nessus downloading something, you'll get multiple options, but select the specific one only.
Tiger అయ్యిందండి నాది ఇనిషియలైజ్.
Okay, stop your screen, Pawan. He's going to share, but it is going to share. It's very easy thing, but it should get some confused. Once we configure, everything is fine. Yeah, fine. Done, Andy. So there is a one thing you have to know. So it is running fine. You have installed, configured, activated everything. But the thing is, previously, just go to the terminal. Go to the terminal once. Terminal means your command line interface once. Minimize చేయండి మీకు అది అర్థం కాకపోతే. Yeah. So it is still in a disabled state, not in an enabled state. Maybe it is running fine, but it won't work properly. You just started the service. If you want to stop this service, you can give the stop instead of start. And also, if you want to enable this one, you have to give the enable instead of status or start. Just give the enable, service necessity enable, press the upper arrow button, Don't need to type every time. Yeah, just remove the status and give enable, ENABLE, and then hit enter.
Recognized service.
Just do restart then. Instead of start or stop, just give restart and then do enable again. Simple అండి. మళ్ళీ upper arrow కొట్టండి. Just hit the upper arrow. It will give the same command, remove enable. You don't need to modify each and everything. You just need to modify whether you want to check the status, give status. If you want to start, just start. If you want to restart, just give restart. That's it. Restart ఇవ్వండి. Restart. Hit enter. Yeah, again give the password.
Restart and just a service restart, Nessus.
Service restart and that's it. Again check the status, press upper arrow button. Again press, again. Yeah, verify it now. Check the status. So once you type again, it is in a disabled state, then do enable now. Enter. Okay, give sudo. Add the sudo. Enter. Give the password. What the hell it is? Why it is unrecognizable? It is recognizable only. It is saying, okay, do one thing. Just copy the path. User lib something is there, right? Okay, verify the path. Like what is the exact, like ls. Okay, ls space that path. You have to copy it with shift control C for better, and shift control V. Shift control C and shift control V. Try that one once. Get it right. Enter. Enter కొట్టండి. చూపించట్లేదు కదా. We have to check this one, right? ఈ కమాండ్ లో ls తర్వాత స్పేస్ ఇచ్చి -l అని ఇచ్చి అగైన్ స్పేస్ ఇవ్వండి. అప్పర్ యారో మార్క్ కొట్టండి. Go to the ls. Yes, after ls give -l space, hit enter. Yeah, this is the way you are going to check any file or folder details. That means the what it is, I'm not getting words, the permissions. So you can see as a root user only you are going to run this one. Okay, even though root user doesn't have a execute permissions here.
Okay,
let me tell you one thing. If I want you to modify these privileges, let's assume if you want to give the execute permissions to the root, what you need to do here?
chmod.
Yes, go ahead. Sudo chmod. Don't 777 is fine. 774 space that path. Hit enter and hit enter.
Okay, now permissions are there.
Then go ahead and run and enable the service like a sudo. Yes, go ahead.
Unrecognized service again.
Then switch as a root user and then run. You can able to make it as a Kali, like the file permissions instead of this one. How to switch as a root user? You have to give sudo space su space hyphen. Su means switching user space hyphen. Yes, hit enter. Whenever you want to switch as a root user, just give this sudo space su space hyphen. That is fine. Now run the same command. You don't need a sudo here. Just run service Nessus D enable. Nessus D enable. Enter. Verify the stat. Oh my god. Verify the status. Status. Hit enter. Again restart it. అపరార కొట్టండి అయిపోద్ది కదా. రీస్టార్ట్ చేయమని
రావట్లేదు, ఓన్లీ ఈ 2 మాత్రమే వస్తుంది.
తీసేయండి దాన్ని సింపుల్గా. ఎస్ రీస్టార్ట్. ఎంటర్. Restarted. Again give the enable command. Okay, then do one thing. Stop the service and then enable and then start. Stop the service. That means you just need to give the stop. Instead of start or enable, you just need to give the stop. Upper arrow, remove enable, give stop. Stop, hit enter. Wait for a second and then check the status. Status. కంగారు పడకండి, మెల్లగానే చేయండి. ఎంటర్. Yeah, it is in a stopped state, inactive state, and again also in a disabled state. Just do the enable here, just try it once. Okay, it is saying unrecognizable. Then do the system CTL necessity service. Try with that. Yeah. System CTL, not necessity. You have to give enable and then service name. Usually whenever necessity కాదు, system CTL వాడేటప్పుడు you have to give the command. Okay, you have to give the command in middle. After that you have to select the service. In the end you have to select the service. Give enable here first. System CTL space enable space Nessus d dot service. So whenever using service you have to give the service first and then choose the option you want to start, stop something. Tab కొట్టండి తీసుకుంటుంది. Enter. Yeah. Now check the status with the system CTL. Press upper arrow, go to remove enable and check the status.
Yeah, now it's enabled.
It's enabled. So you got the actual thing. Okay, enabled, present, disabled, and then active. Make it active. Make it active. That means start the service. Start the service. Enter. Again check the status. Press upper arrow and again verify it. Now it is perfectly running fine. So I think you got the reason why I told you system CTL and service. So sometimes some kind of things work, sometimes some kind of commands work. So you have to improve your debugging knowledge, like what kind of tools, what kind of things we have to know. So we have installed something, we have decrypted something, we have configured something, we have started something, we have enabled something. We used multiple commands. Actually this is a single command. Service is the actual command. For suppose if you want to check about HTTPD service inside your system, just give service space, type చేయండి service space HTTPD space status. Enter. It is saying, you know something, HTTP Apache to server is already there, but it is in a disabled state. That means this device is already pre-installed Apache to server. Apache to server is make you a web server. If you want to install the Apache 2 in your mobile become web server. If you want to install this one in your laptop will become web server. Okay. tomorrow I'm going to show you an example about how it is going to work. We can easily make it as a web server, how we can do. Yeah, let's verify it in browser with the 127 dot something. ఒకసారి re-verify చేసుకోండి Nessus perfect వర్క్ అవుతుందో లేదో. Minimize this one and go in the verify it in the browser. Yeah, refresh it, refresh the page, and then wait.
Always we need to open this Nessus in browser only, or
Usually we go to the browser only. We verify it in the browser level only mostly. That means it is a GUI tool. Mostly we 99% we use in a GUI based services. It acts like a browser to verify, scan and everything.
okay, can I bookmark here or like?
You don't need to bookmark whenever you want. You just need to just type 127.0.0.1 and give colon 8834 is enough.
Okay.
Simply.
So if I'm downloading this software, right, on Kali, I will select Linux Ubuntu. Is that correct? On my, if I have the Linux, I have Kali Linux running.
Better you need to download it in the Kali Linux because don't go for configure it in your system. These are the security tools, right? Why don't you give a chance to something? Yeah, if you are install it in a VMware, it should be a bit secure.
Because
that means our data cannot be leaked to anything.
Oh, okay.
If you want, you can. That's not a big deal. But why we need it? We are not using it as much as mostly we are going to scan this like scan the application servers or maybe domain names with the help of Nessus only. It's not a much time. It won't take like 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. Fine. After that, we are going to majorly we are focusing on vulnerabilities. Like majorly we are focusing on pen testing. It is just playing maybe 10 to 50% on the entire work. So that's why you don't need much time on this. But you have to understand what it is, how we start, how we do anything. If I'm going to showcase you like just simply it is installed there like Windows. Okay, you go to the installation file and click and extract the file and press double tap that file. It is going to initialize, and when it is going, once it is initialized, it is going to showcase you the install button. This is a basic thing anyone can know, but you guys need to know how a package, how a service or a tool is going to install in a Linux, how it is going to work. You have to know the command line tools, formats, commands, everything.
Okay.
ఓకే, మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఆపండి. చంద్రకళ చూపిస్తారు, మీరు ట్రై చేస్తారా?
నేను షేర్ చేయాలా సార్?
యా దాని గురించి కాదులేండి, నేను అడిగేది అన్ని వేరే దాని గురించి. మీది అవ్వలేదా పవన్ ఇంకా?
అది ఇనిషియలైజ్ అయ్యే ముందు నాది స్క్రీన్ మొత్తం బ్లాంక్ అయిపోయింది. సో మళ్ళీ రీస్టార్ట్ చేశాను.
నో ప్రాబ్లం షో మీ షేర్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్.
సో అది డెలీట్ చేశాను, మళ్ళీ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. ఐ మీన్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేశాను ఆల్రెడీ. సో ఇనిషియలైజ్ చేయడానికి
క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్ పైన సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. ఐ మీన్ యుఆర్ఎల్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. అది హెచ్టిటిపి ఉందా, హెచ్టిటిపిఎస్ ఉందా, ఏం తీసుకుంటుంది? హ్యాష్ తీసేయండి, లాస్ట్లో 8834 వరకే ఉంచండి అండ్ దెన్ ప్రెస్ ఎంటర్ కొట్టండి. స్లాష్ కూడా తీసేయండి. ఎంటర్ కొట్టండి. లోడ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. క్లోజ్ చేయండి దీన్ని, మొత్తం క్లోజ్ చేయండి. ట్యాబ్ క్లోజ్ చేసి అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి రీవెరిఫై చేయండి. ఇది కాదు, టెర్మినల్లోకి వెళ్ళి స్టార్ట్ అయిందా, రన్నింగ్లో ఉందా, లెట్స్ వెరిఫై ఇట్ ఇన్ ద టెర్మినల్. క్లోజ్ చేయండి దీన్ని. ఓకే, ఫైన్. ఇదేముంది, డిజేబుల్డ్ ఇన్యాక్టివ్ స్టేట్ లో ఉంది కదండి.
ఇది ప్రీవియస్ సో ప్రాపర్
యూ కెన్ చెక్ ద Nessus above. Still it is an inactive state. Okay, check again. Service SSD status. Service necessity status. Hit enter. It is an inactive state only. You have to make it active, right? Hit enter. Enter కొట్టండి మళ్ళీ.
నాకు ఈ లైన్స్ 1 3 అండ్ అట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఐ మీన్ ఎంటర్ కొట్టాను అట్లా కంట్రోల్
అవ్వట్లేదా? కంట్రోల్ సి కొట్టండి.
ఈవెన్ నా సర్వీస్ కూడా డిసేబుల్ లో ఉంది సాయి.
అదే సర్వీస్ కూడా డిసేబుల్ అని ఉంది. సో మేక్ ఇట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. స్టేటస్ బదులు స్టార్ట్ అని ఇవ్వండి. START ఈస్ ఫైన్ అండ్ దెన్ హిట్ ఎంటర్. ART hit enter. Wait for 1 or 2 seconds and then check the status.
మేబీ ఇది వర్క్ అవ్వకపోవచ్చు బికాస్ ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ అయ్యే టైంకి నా సిస్టమ్ మొత్తం బ్లాంక్ స్క్రీన్ అయింది సార్. సో మళ్ళీ రీస్టార్ట్ చేశాను.
See, when it comes to blank screen or make it glitch, it is happening because of you don't have enough storage or enough memory. Check your processing speed above. In the top, it is showing 96%. So majority processor is happening like using. That's why maybe you'll get those kind of things. That's not a problem. Okay. కింద స్టాప్ షేరింగ్ పక్కన హైడ్ అని ఉంది. నొక్కండి ఒకసారి. మీ కమాండ్ నాకు కనపడట్లేదు. ఓకే, చెక్ ద స్టేటస్ అగైన్. అప్పర్ యారో బటన్ కొట్టండి. ఎస్, ఎంటర్. ఇది యాక్టివ్కి వచ్చింది కదా ఇప్పుడు, ఫైన్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేయండి వెళ్ళి. గో టు ద బ్రౌజర్ నౌ అండ్ చెక్ ఇట్. బత్తిరెడ్డి గారు మీరే ఇందాక అడిగింది నన్ను కమాండ్స్ ఏవో కావాలన్నారు. లినక్స్ మనం ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పినవన్నీ కమాండ్స్ కావాలని అడిగారా?
లేదండి, మీరు క్విజ్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, క్విజ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అది ఫైల్
అడిగారా? ఓకే, ఫైల్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి బ్లాంక్ అని ఉందా లేదా లినక్స్ సంథింగ్ అని ఉందా?
నెట్వర్క్ సంథింగ్ అని ఉంది. నెట్వర్క్ లైనక్స్, లైక్ నెట్వర్క్ కమాండ్స్ అండ్ లైనక్స్ అండ్ సంథింగ్ ఏదో.
అదే usually if you are not a security person, if you are related to infrastructure like DevOps engineer or cloud engineer, you need to definitely deep dig about Linux. But at this point of, we don't need that much deep digging. Like you don't need to learn at administrative level, but at least you have to know how it is going to work. Like what commands is there, like how you are using your Windows. In that level, at least you have to understand the Linux. There are bunch of things inside there in Linux. Linux is an ocean actually. వెయిట్ చేయండి, ఇది ఇనిషియలైజ్ అవుతుంది.
ఈవెన్ బర్బ్ షూట్ కూడా ఇదే విధంగా చేయాలి సార్ ఇక్కడ.
బర్బ్ షూట్ ఆల్సో we are going to download in the same way, but
Kali Linux only.
Kali Linux. If you want, we can able to install it in your Windows also. That is also fine. There is a thing like whenever you are going to configuring the burp suite, you have to make a connectivity between the browser with the burp suite. That is nothing but whenever we are going to check with any application, whenever we are going to browsing the application, like if you want to pen test the application, you need to go to first check the application. You have to connect that application. At that point of time, the burp suite itself going to know. Once the connectivity is happened between the burp suite and the browser, we can easily intercept the data. For suppose you are going to trying to log into the Netflix. You just click that. At that point of time, burp suite itself going to intercept the data. So we can able to see what is happening while you are going to connecting to the Netflix. From there, we are going to try our things to pen test or trying to find out the vulnerabilities in the burp suite. We can able to install it inside the VMware, and again we can able to install it in your Windows, and we can able to make a contact between Chrome and burp suite also. Both things we can do. The same pattern we use in both whether it is a VMware or Windows. ఇనిషియలైజింగ్ రీఫ్రెష్ కొట్టండి ఒకసారి. ఎంతసేపు తీసుకుంటుంది ఏంటి? Refresh.
So this is the only tool, or we have different like alternative to this?
There are, but we don't need 2 or 3 tools for scanning. Nessus is enough.
So this has been widely used.
Yeah, this is widely used and also trusted by most of the companies, like the security organizations like OWASP, OSINT, those kind of regulatories and organizations are trusted this tool. That's why companies are using some tools or services in enterprise level also a threat. So we have to, the organizations itself have to understand the tool and have to check, is this tool is going to generate any kind of issues, or this tool is going to taking the organization's data and going to share it in any other database. Those kind of things also consider. That's why it is nothing but that China applications are there, right? Like TikTok kind of tools. Those are going to take our data, like Indians users' data. It is going to store it in a China database.
Yes.
Yeah, those kind of things also consider. Okay, I think it is going to start, Pawan. Not a big deal. It will take time. Okay. I think you all are successfully installed this Nessus, or anyone got any issue, or anyone got stuck at any point?
Well, I'll probably let you know by tomorrow if mine works for me. I'm working on it. I'm gonna do it tonight. Okay, so I'm running into some issues.
The recording has stopped.
Sure, buddy. No problem. No
Okay,
problem.
thank you.
That's not a big deal.
Okay.
What we have seen, we have gone through, we have selected this one in the browser. Okay.
This Nessus, if you install in our system instead of this Kali Linux, what will happen? Say, so there we cannot give the commands to verify, or how?
ఏంటిది నేను టైప్ చేస్తానా ఆటోమేటిక్ తీసుకుంటుందా ఇది? ఓకే. ఏంటండి ఇది అన్నారు, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. నెసెస్
ఈ నెసెస్ మన సిస్టమ్ లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశాం కదా ఫస్ట్, ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ Kali Linux. సో అలా చేసి అలా చేసుకోవచ్చు.
You're asking, is this Nessus is going to taking our data, our system's data, our personal data, is collecting that? అదేనా మీరు అడిగేది?
లేదండి, ఇప్పుడు నెసెస్ మనము ఈ Kali Linux లో కాకుండా నార్మల్ మన సిస్టమ్ లో
చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఏముంది?
ఓకే,
సింపుల్. ఇప్పుడు విండోస్ లో ఏం చేస్తామండి, ఇన్ విండోస్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డౌన్లోడ్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఇట్స్ షోకేస్ ఇన్ ఎ ఫోల్డర్. వన్స్ యూ క్లిక్ దట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ట్రిగర్డ్. దట్ మీన్స్ rendered behind it, it is going to show you whether it is an installable file. It is going to showcase you, do you want to install or do you want to configure, and then it is going to install or configure some kind of icon itself. It is going to showcase after configuring install. Once you click that icon, it is going to redirect it to the browser or something like that. Or else maybe once you install the Tenable Nessus in your Windows, again you go to the Chrome browser, again you give the same kind of 127.0.0.1 and 8834. Again it is going to showcase the same thing. Yeah. Once you click this one, you just need to select Tenable Nessus option and then register. Okay. Once you got registered with email, this is mandatory. Once you register, go to the email and check the Nessus email. There, in that, you can see download option. You have to click the download option. After that, it is going to redirected. It is going to download it. It is going to showcase those versions details. By default, it is selected the actual one only. You don't need to modify it. You just blindly click the download. Once you click the download, it is downloaded. After that, you need to go to the terminal. Okay, go to the terminal and do the service Nessus D status. Okay, once you verify, again do service Nessus D start. That's it. And you want to verify in the web browser. As like 127.0.0.1 colon 8834. That's it. And if you face any kind of issue, you have to select like HTTPS like this way. That's it. It is going to showcase you. Maybe it is going to ask you advanced settings to select and accept the risk. After that, it is going to the Nessus initialization. That's it. It is going to start and stop and everything happening here. So you have to understand the terminal part perfectly. Yeah.
So is anyone sharing screen?
Sorry?
Is anyone sharing screen or is it my screen?
Yeah, I'm not sharing screen. I'm sorry, buddy. I think I'm sharing screen. Okay, let me share my screen. Oh, I'm very, very sorry. I thought I'm typing. You guys are watching these things. So in the browser, you need to select this Tenable Nessus Essentials Vulnerability Scanner. After select, inside that, you have to again register and you have to select the Tenable Nessus. Okay. So that means you need to register with your email. Once you click that, it is going to ask your email. After that, you need to select the Tenable Nessus and then you have to check your email. Your email got the download link and activation code. Once you click the download, okay, once you click the download, it is going to download it. After that, you need to log into the terminal and then do the service necessity. If it is in a downloaded folder, directory, you have to switch there and do ls. If it is there, check with this necessity status command and then do the service necessity start. Again, after start, go to check with the status. If it is an enabled state, go to the browser again, take a new tab and give HTTPS or something 1270.0.0.1, this one. Directly give this 127.0.0.1. If you face any issue, add the S to that specific HTTP, add S, and then it will ask you to, do you want me to go back or advanced settings? Go to the advanced settings, and it is going to ask again, go back or take the risk. Accept the risk. It is going to showcase the Nessus initialization. In the Nessus initialization, no need to register. It is asking register. Okay. You don't need to register, just skip that one. Okay. You don't need to register, skip that one. Again, it is going to ask you register, just skip that one. Don't need to do anything. Okay. You need to select register for Nessus Essentials. That's it. Only the option you have to select, register for Nessus Essentials only. Again, you have to click continue and then hit enter. It is going to configure it. It is going to install. Okay. Yeah.
You're gonna post this on the you're gonna send us this, right? Because I'm gonna stay
yeah, I'll do one thing. I'll create a doc and send it better.
Yeah. So like those who did download the Nessus, right? Did you have some like DOP 64 AMD, the last there's an AMD
yeah, by
64
default, whenever you go to there, Daniel, it is showcasing the default settings. You don't need to modify anything. Just hit the download. That's it. By default,
right,
you're just redirecting to the Nessus Nessus web server only.
Right.
Sorry,
yeah,
website.
it did download too. Right.
Yeah,
Did
you
it
don't need.
download to my folder? So when I look into my download folder, it is saying it has extension .deb. Is that correct?
You have
Anybody
to
had that?
download it. Let me tell you, you have to download it. For suppose, is your laptop having the Kali Linux OS, or
Yeah,
you just
It has Kali Linux OS.
only Kali Linux? So directly you can download it in the browser. Simply, you don't need to. You're not using the VMware or workstations kind of hypervisors, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you can directly download it.
Okay.
Just go to the Chrome or maybe whatever the browser you're using. Go there and just download it. It is downloaded. Just
Mm-hmm.
go to the downloads option also. Like in the terminal, after done with the
Yeah,
download,
I'm in
you
the
need to.
terminal. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in the
I'm in the
terminal you have.
terminal now.
Yeah. Do you want to share the screen?
This is a different machine, so
Okay. Then
this is
join
a
on
different.
tomorrow with that
This is
mission.
this is my toy machine, so I don't want to mess my other machines. Okay, all right. I'll try to join with this machine and see, but I'm
Okay.
gonna check it out and see. Okay, okay then. Thank you. Okay.
Sir, I'm able to see these necessary essentials in the browser now.
Share చేయండి మీ screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. This is fine. Everyone need to go till this. That is fine. We'll go and explore about the Nessus tomorrow.
Okay,
Like,
directly we can close it, right?
yeah, close it. Whenever we want, we are going to just use the same 127 local host and then that port number. But you need to
So we
check
need
that.
to start. We need to start in the terminal, and then we need to come back to the browser and.
We need to check the service status in the terminal. That's it. You need to check
So
the service status in the terminal. In every organization, they use Linux, but maybe they are using Red Hat, Ubuntu, or any kind of thing. And each and every service, they are going to use these commands. Maybe either system CTL or service, each and every service. The companies itself using the B2B business to business or enterprise level tools and services, everything is configured on Linux is going to verified with these commands only. If anything happened to a specific service, the service is not working fine. Simply they are going to restart it from the terminal only. They simply go to the terminal and give service and then that specific service name and then restart. Hit enter. It
so
is
now
going to
I
restart
can.
the entire service.
So I need to stop it, right? Service message is stop.
Why you need to stop? You don't need to.
No,
If you want, you
no
can
need.
stop.
So
Yeah, no need.
okay. So while by closing in the browser, it gets stopped automatically, right?
Automatically, if you want, you can stop it. That's not a big deal. Again, once you are going to work on that, you need to start it again.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
So,
I think we have crossed almost 2 hours. Huh?
Sai, this Nessus is only for network scanning or web application scanning also?
Everything it is going to do. See, web application itself is going to store it in a server, right? We are going to scanning the servers. Okay, web application scanning is nothing but we're going to scanning the server which is hosted that web application. Like
No,
for
in
that web
burp suit,
application.
in burp suit, we are going to scan the domain names, right?
See, we are not going to scan with burp suit. We are going to intercept the data with burp suit.
Okay.
While you are going to click the login to your Facebook account, at that point of time, I'm going to intercept the data. If I want, I can able to stop that. It won't go. I can able to stop. It is going to reach the Facebook server. You will end up with an error. You cannot able to access it, but still I can able to access it here. What you are doing.
Nessus
So
tool that servers may scan this.
sorry.
ఇప్పుడు ఏ సర్వర్ స్కాన్ చేసింది
ఓకే గైస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. చంద్రకళ రేపు చూద్దామంటారా? ఇప్పుడు చూస్తారు ఇప్పుడు ట్రై చేద్దామంటారా కాలేజ్ నెక్స్ట్
టైం ఉంటే ఈ రోజే చూద్దామండి. యాక్చువల్ గా ఇంకా మాకు ఈ
షేర్
రోజు నుంచి
చేయండి. You guys can leave. If you guys interested, can stay. I want to. Chandrakala wants to configure the Kali Linux on fresh laptop. Go ahead.
అండి
చేయండి.
ఇంకొకటి కూడా నాకు వాయిస్ కూడా రావట్లేదండి ఆ న్యూ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో. అది సెట్టింగ్ అంతా బానే ఉంది, నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు. స్క్రీన్ ఆల్రెడీ షేర్ చేసి అదే లాగిన్ అయ్యాను, చేస్తున్నాను.
చేయండి.
Sai, I will also try by tomorrow. I didn't do it yet, so I will let you know
Sure, buddy. No problem.
how that goes. Yeah.
I'll be there. Yeah.
ఇది నాకు యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వలేదండి దీనికి.
మణికంఠ
రెండు ఉన్నాయి, నాదే నా నేమ్ తో ఉంది, అది ఇవ్వమనండి.
ఏది మీది ఏది చెప్పండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఆ సోలార్ సిస్టమ్ కనబడుతుంది కదా, దానికి ఇవ్వమనండి.
ఓకే ఓకే చంద్రకళ మణికంఠ కొంచెం ఆ అమ్మాయికి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఇవ్వు, లేదని మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేస్తా. లెట్ మీ కాల్ మణికంఠ.